Surat Limited, aggregate in the business of textile, also elected was sales and purchase of shares of other company affected. So the engage in business of textiles also affected the sales and purchase of shares of other company. Suffer losses from such transaction. Okay, business and purchase of share. Okay, whether the company can set off the loss of share trading from the profit of textile. Textile is business. Share trading is capital gain. Can it be set off? No. Capital gain, long-term capital gain and long-term capital loss can be set off again short-term capital gain and loss. But short-term capital gain loss can't be set off with long-term capital gain. Same thing, capital gain loss cannot be set off with, can be carried out for the next year, but cannot be set off with the business income. A loss of a speculative business shall be set off against only the profit and gains of another speculative business. First point, section 73. The loss of extent not set off shall be carried forward to next assessment year and set off against a profit of speculative business for the next assessment year. Loss of the speculative business can be carried forward for 4 assessment year. Speculative business, now 4 assessment year. Explanations again section 73. For any part of the business of the company consists of sale and purchase of shares and other companies for the purpose section 73, that he deemed to carry on the speculation business to the extent in which business consists of sale and purchase of shares. So that's a sale and purchase of share. That's happening. But subject to 73, it shall not apply the following. It shall not be applied to following companies where investment companies, company whose principal business is banking and granting loans and advances, company whose principal business is business of trading in shares. So in the investment company, the company whose total income mainly consists of income from house property, capital gain, and income from other sources. So this companies that they can claim the loss in the share and the business because their business is doing such kind of thing. But other than this, the company of principal business of banking and granting loan, they can do. Company whose principal business is trading in shares, they can do. Other than those, they can't do. Um, Keynote explanation to 73, the applicable only to these company, these three company. What? Banking company, investment company, shares purchase sales company. It is applicable only when the part of the business of the company consists purchase and sale of shares. That is, company must be carried on others same other business in addition to the business of purchase and sale of shares. In this case, the business of purchase and sale of shares shall be deemed to be speculative business even the deliveries of share has been affected. So the Finance Act 2014 provide that if a principal business of the company is a business of trading in share, then the explanation 73 shall not apply even the company is also carrying on other business. The income from the trading in share shall not be treated as a speculative income because their speculative income is different. Their share and trading is not cannot be considered and cannot be set off against that. If a principal business of the company is sale and purchase of shares of the other company, what would you be answer? If the principal business is sale of shares, in section 73 applicable only for sale and purchase of shares. This explanation is not applicable to the company in this business sale and purchase of units and debentures. As per the provision of 73 of Income Tax Act, the company cannot set off losses from share trading against a profit of textile business. If the principal business of the company is sale and purchase of the share of other company, then company can set off losses from share trading from profit of textile business. They can set off capital gain with business speculative income or the business profits.